Getting into shape, a guide to understanding and using this English phrase. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very popular English phrase, get into shape. This expression is widely used in everyday conversations, and understanding its meaning and usage can really enhance your English skills. So, let's dive in and get into shape with our English. Get into shape is an idiomatic expression in English. It generally means to become physically fit through exercise and diet. This phrase is often used when someone wants to improve their health or appearance by exercising more and eating healthier foods. It's not just about losing weight. It's about improving overall fitness and well-being. Let's look at some practical examples of how this phrase is used in everyday conversations. 1. I need to get into shape for the summer vacation. 2. He joined a gym to get into shape after years of a sedentary lifestyle. 3. My doctor advised me to get into shape to improve my health. In these examples, you can see that the phrase is used in different contexts, but the underlying meaning remains the same. English has several phrases that convey a similar meaning. Here are a few. 1. Working out, focusing on exercise. 2. Staying fit, maintaining good physical condition. 3. Physical fitness, a more formal way of talking about being in good shape. Understanding these related expressions can help you better grasp the concept of getting into shape. It's important to note that the concept of getting into shape is often associated with New Year's resolutions in many English-speaking countries. People often make commitments to start exercising and eating healthily as a part of their New Year goals. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, get into shape, more confidently in your English conversations. Remember, learning a language is like getting into shape. It requires practice and dedication. So keep practicing, and you'll surely see improvements in your English skills. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.